Welcome to New Skills Learning Solution. In today's video, we'll be going to discuss ServiceNow Administrator, course content, and whatever the career opportunity we'll get after upskilling this. So let's start with the discussion. If you are from service management, application support, IT service management, service delivery, such skill, so definitely ServiceNow admin is a good technical skill so as to upskill into career for the next role. So let's start with the discussion. What is ServiceNow? So ServiceNow is basically software as a service, cloud-based platform. Basically, it is highly customizable and widely used across the various range of companies. It is used for IT services. It is used for automating the business process. It is used for improving the overall efficiency of organizations. So let's talk about the uses of ServiceNow, where exactly ServiceNow is used. As we discussed in last slide, it is for IT services. So basically, ServiceNow started their journey from IT service management. It is a powerful tool for managing all service management processes such as incident, change, problem, and service requests. Even ServiceNow is used in analytics. It offers robust analytical capabilities, enabling business to track and analyze data for better decision making. ServiceNow is even used for human resource management process. Most of the people must not be aware about it. It is used for employee leave management, employee timesheet, new employee onboarding, such crucial processes of HR at a higher level, and even that is used in the bigger scale organization. One of the most important use of ServiceNow is even into financial processes, such as improving the financial process efficiency and accuracy. So now let's talk about the industries where ServiceNow is being used. ServiceNow is basically used on a major level in healthcare, on major level in finance, and most important into telecommunication. Even it is used into manufacturing, education, such companies. So nowadays, wherever the IT is implemented, for sure, the front end business are using ServiceNow for improving their efficiencies. So let's talk about the job opportunity. So after doing ServiceNow, most important role you must be getting if you are good into communication is ServiceNow consultant, where you will be implementing ServiceNow processes or customizing it or optimizing it as per the business need. Even the name itself told, like ServiceNow Administrator, this is also a major job opportunity where you will be able to maintain, configure, and even responsible for smooth ServiceNow operations. Now, next, let's talk about the salary. What exactly salary range is there on the ServiceNow? So as ServiceNow demand is on the higher side in industry, definitely there is a competitive salary for the people who are skilled into ServiceNow. As per the industry ratio, we have seen 2x salary range based on the experience, location, and whatever the industry they are working, either product based or service based. So now let's talk with the real time example. Let's say like there is one user or you are using a bank application. Now you are not able to log in, or now you are not able to use any of the feature of a banking, or your data got deleted from banking. So what exactly you will do first? You will call to bank and you will raise a ticket, right? On the next level, what bank will do? They will track all this data and the backend from ServiceNow. Okay, and side by side, they will keep on posting the progress. So ServiceNow behind the scenes, they are using to track your issue, resolve your issue, document your issue. So that way, ServiceNow is helping to business and end user for better collaboration and resolving the operation issue. Now let's talk about the introduction. What exactly we will be able to learn into ServiceNow, what the content if you are planning to do, if you are planning to learn ServiceNow Administrator. Most important is we'll have a walkthrough of ServiceNow platform and its application. Important is navigation of platform using the basic UI concept, understanding different products and modules within the ServiceNow. User management is one of the important concept in ServiceNow administration course, where you will be able to create user, you will be able to create group, roles, how to give permission to that user, roles, groups. Even you will be able to manage user data and security. So overall, the user management is one of the most and first important point when you are planning to learn ServiceNow Administrator. Forms and layout. This is important concept while learning ServiceNow, where we will be able to see how to customize the forms and list. Different fields are there. Behind the forms, table is important concept. So how to manage that table, how to give different type of understanding for different fields and users. So this is important concept. Next, like ServiceNow data management. In a ServiceNow data management, you will be able to maintain the records, fields, tables, even importing data from external resources, managing the ServiceNow configuration management database, understanding the relationship between schemas and data. So this is important for giving services to internal business as per the need. So that is important part of ServiceNow data management. Workflow and automation. This is important topic and even in highest demand in industry, like how to create workflows, how to automate the tasks using ServiceNow, how to understand the approvals, auto tasks, auto notification. That will be an important topic. Service catalog and request management is also important topic, where you will be able to see how to create a service catalog item, how to manage request fulfillment and approval workflow, understanding how to configure and manage data for ServiceNow catalog. This is one of important topic while learning ServiceNow Administrator. As we discussed, like ServiceNow started their journey from ITSM services like incident, problem, change. So we will be able to see how to configure these as per the business need. Overall life cycle as per the business, how to customize this module like incident, problem, change as per the business need. That is a very important topic in a ServiceNow administration course. Reporting and dashboard. This is nowadays every organization are moving on a digitalization. They are integrating apps with the other services. So creating a reports using ServiceNow, configuring it, customizing it, and applying KPIs and metrics using that dashboards and reports. Major important role. Like this can be an additional BA kind of role, but it is used for almost all of the domain, no matter you are working into which domain. Let's talk about the service level management, where you will be able to see how to track and manage services performance, like how OLAs, SLAs, and underpinning contracts work. Most important next topic is ServiceNow integration and API management, where you will be able to integrate ServiceNow with other systems, working with a REST API, SOAPs API, how to automate the process and share the data between systems. Security is always important topic in every of the topic when we try to learn any of the tool or any of the platform or application. So in a ServiceNow admin, you'll be able to understand how to implement best security services on the platform, how to configure access control and manage security policy. Even we will be able to see data protection and encryption options. Most important topic, that is last, end user look and feel. So in a ServiceNow portal configuration, you will be able to see being internal people in the organization, how they are using ServiceNow, how they should be able to see a front view of ServiceNow, what are the pages they should be able to see, how the design should be there. So that kind of customization part we will be able to see in ServiceNow portal configuration. Instance management is also one of the important topics, like including cloning and patching, where we will be able to see how to maintain the task, how to integrate instance architecture, what are the common issues while for troubleshooting. This is a very important topic as an administrator. Now patching and updates is like how to apply the updates, how to manage the updates which are given from the ServiceNow, and how to maintain calendar patching activities. This is a regular activities for all of the admin, no matter which admin you are, even you are from the DB side or Linux side. In an advanced topic, we will be able to see scripts, UI policies, business rule, advanced customization techniques, and implementing the best ServiceNow practices in organization. So this is overall content what we were going to discuss for ServiceNow admin. If you are looking for a role such as ServiceNow admin or ServiceNow consultant, which are having a major demand in the market, Definitely, ServiceNow Administrator as a technical skill you can plan to upskills. Thank you for being with us.